Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dead by Daylight on mobile. First, download the official Dead by Daylight mobile application from your device's app store. Ensure your phone or tablet meets the minimum system requirements for a smooth experience. After installation, complete the interactive in-game tutorial. It's a fantastic way to grasp fundamental controls and objectives for both survivors and killers, setting you up for success in your first few matches. When playing as a survivor, your main objective is to repair 5 generators scattered across the map. You'll be working alongside 3 other survivors, forming a team of 4 against 1 killer. Communication, even nonverbal, is key for success. Utilize your unique survivor perks and collected items, like medkits or toolboxes, to heal yourself, repair faster, or distract the killer. Your ultimate goal is a successful escape through the powered exit gates. Switching to the killer role offers a completely different experience. Your objective is to prevent all 4 survivors from escaping by sacrificing them to the entity. You'll need to patrol the map, especially around generators, and use your killer's unique power to track, injure, and down survivors. Once a survivor is downed, carry them to a nearby hook. Each survivor must be hooked 3 times to be sacrificed. Managing your hooks and applying pressure across the map is crucial for victory. To truly master Dead by Daylight mobile, consider customizing your control layout. Adjusting button sizes and positions can significantly improve your comfort and reaction time during intense chases. Familiarize yourself with the various map layouts, noting common generator, totem, and hook spawn points. This knowledge gives you a strategic advantage. Practice your skill checks for generator repairs and healing. Learn to interpret the killer's terror radius to anticipate their approach, helping you make quick, informed decisions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.